this is Rupa. Welcome to my channel Honey Creations. Today I would like to teach you what is apostrophe, how to use, where to use, and what are the rules. Let's look into it one by one. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark used for either possession or contraction. It states that we use punctuation mark when something belongs to someone. For example, Sauzi's puppy is very cute. Here, the cute puppy belongs to Sauzi. So, we used apostrophe after Sauji. Sauji is also a singular noun not ending in S. In those cases, we need to use Sauji, the name, singular noun, and apostrophe S. How to use apostrophe for the singular nouns ending in S? Here is a very smart boy named James. James, the name, is ending in S. Here we need to put apostrophe after S. Otherwise, after S we need to put apostrophe S. We can say this as James's glasses are black. James' glasses are black. Now let's look into plural nouns that are ending without S. Here we can see the picture children. Children's notes are on the shelf. We use the apostrophe after the children. N apostrophe S. It implies that the notes on the shelf belongs to children. Plural nouns ending with S. Parents. My parents' house is huge. Here the apostrophe is used after S. The huge house belongs to the parents. Multiple nouns. How we use apostrophe for multiple nouns? For example, Sheila and Leela's car. It says that the car belongs to both of them, Sheila as well as Leela. Sheila's and Leela's dogs. Sheila owns a dog, Leela owns another dog. Apostrophe is also used for abbreviation. To abbreviate, it is becomes its, that is becomes that's, I am becomes I am, we are becomes we are. Similarly, you are becomes you are, who is becomes whose, where is becomes where's, I had or I would becomes I would. Finally, let's look into possessive pronouns. The pronouns where we do not use apostrophe. Let's look into the examples. This book is yours, not your apostrophe S. This car is yours, not our apostrophe S. This pencil is hers, not her apostrophe S. That's all for now, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.